Look at Hunter enjoying his green eggs and ham for Christmas. Is it good? Hunter's having green eggs and ham. And these are all of his Christmas gifts that he got for Christmas because he worked so very hard to get off the naughty boys list. Hunter, we know you love your eggs. Look at me. Do we got any water, Ming? You can wash it down.
Yes.
There's water in there. He probably full. That's a lot. Hunter. Hunter. We gotta find his thing. The little chain. Last night he was trying to chew off his little plastic thing, that yellow thing that says.
Yeah, it's off.
It is?
Yeah, it's right here.
How did that get off? He took it off?
Yeah.
That's why you, oh my God. You better be glad that happened after midnight. You had already got off the naughty boy list. When did he do that? This morning or yesterday?
This morning.
Hunter, he won't even look up. Hunter. Hunter. I'm trying to take your picture. This is his Christmas dinner or Christmas breakfast. Okay, everybody. See you later.